Welcome to a first for Coaster Conquest. This is Coaster Conquest Coaster Review. Alright, so we are going to kick this series off with none other than my number one coaster in my rankings, Maverick, the Intamin Blitz coaster at Cedar Point. That also won the Best New Attraction Award from the Golden Ticket Awards in the year it was built, 2007. So this year during Coaster Mania at Cedar Point, we got to take a tour of Maverick through the infield, so I wouldn't miss that for the world, and that's where you're seeing all this video from. So as most of you probably already know, Maverick has an LSM launched lift hill, so you make it up to that 105 feet very quickly. And because you're going up the hill that fast, it whips you over the top and into that 95-degree drop, and if you are in the back seat, you are flying out of your seat. So after that drop, you go through a couple quick transitions, and then you're going into that bigger airtime hill where you're getting some awesome floater airtime. After that airtime hill, you are going right into the twisted horseshoe roll, which was a first of its kind when Maverick debuted. So after you're doing that inversion or those inversions, you are going straight into the tunnel, and that is when you launch out of there at 70 miles an hour. And as you are flying out of that tunnel, you are flying up and over the water, through some rocks, and into the first stangle dive, which is directly beneath the first drop. And then after that, you're heading right for another stangle dive, which will send you into Maverick's speed hill, which will launch you straight out of your seat. And then after that, you're heading right into the brake run. And here's my hot take. Maverick doesn't get enough love. Maverick needs more love. Steel Vengeance is over there stealing most of the thunder right now, even though Maverick is sitting right next door and offers the better ride experience, in my opinion. It's action-packed from start to finish, and there's no lull moments in any part of the ride. I will say this though, after watching some videos here and there from people, other enthusiast channels that have been to Cedar Point the last couple years, I have noticed that some of them have said that they may like Maverick better than Steel Vengeance, so I'm on board with that all day long. I mean, honestly, what park has a better 1-2 punch than Steel Vengeance and Maverick? I'm waiting. Exactly. Well, that is going to wrap up this review video of Maverick. This is the first of many review videos I'm sure that will be added to the channel. I really think that these videos will evolve over time with adding different things into them to keep it fresh. Maybe next time we'll do a rating system. Let's rank from 1 to 10 the appearance of the ride, the restraints, the reliability, and the ride itself, and give an overall score. I know that there's some channels that do that, but hey, it's fun. Why not? Let's do it. And then also, if you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Or if you have an idea for the rating or anything you could add to review videos, let me know in the comments. I want feedback. I thrive off of that, so it definitely helps me out a lot. And as always, if you wouldn't mind, give me a sub here on YouTube and hit that little bell so you get the notification when my next video comes out. And then also, it helps me tremendously if you hit that little thumbs up. It helps against the YouTube algorithm. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for everything else. I post a whole bunch on there. So, with that being said, we will see you out at the parks.